Welcome to Uksha High School online class on English second paper class 9 and 10. Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to teach you a very important lesson, that is transformation of sentences. Okay dear students, first we know the definition of transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence is a way of changing the structure of the sentence, not the meaning of the sentence at all. Okay dear students, you know the sentence is of 5 kinds. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now I will discuss with you on from affirmative to negative. Dear students, you know assertive sentence is of 2 kinds. They are affirmative and negative. So let's begin the transformation of sentences from affirmative to negative. Okay dear students, at first let me write 3 sentences. Look at the board. Okay dear students, I have written 3 sentences. As you can see, only Allah can help us. In the second sentence, only smoking is harmful for our health. And the third sentence is quorum is only 5. Okay dear students, if you look at the 3 sentences, you can see a common word, that is only. Only. Okay dear students, when you see only in the 3 sentences, you can understand in the first sentence only is demonstrating Allah. In the second sentence, only is demonstrating smoking. And in the third sentence, only is demonstrating 5, a number. Okay dear students, you can know well when only demonstrated Allah, God or any person, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use none but instead of only. So the sentence will be help us. Here we have used none but instead of only, because only is demonstrating Allah. So we have to use none but instead of only. Okay, dear students, in the second sentence only is demonstrating smoking, and when you see only demonstrated any things, you have to use nothing but instead of only. Here smoking is a substance or thing, not any person, so you have to use nothing but instead of only. Okay, dear students, then the sentence will be okay, dear students, in the third sentence only demonstrating 5. You know, when only demonstrates any number, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use not more than or not less than instead of only. But I will say it is preferable to use not more than in cases of not less than. So then the sentence will be okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the rule number 1. Okay, dear students, now come to the second rule. Okay, dear students, let me write a sentence. Look at the board. Okay, dear students, I have written a sentence. As you can see, we must love our country. If you look at the sentence, you can see a very common word, that is must before the main verb love. And if you want to make it negative, you have to use cannot but instead of must. So the sentence will be we cannot but love our country. Okay, dear students, you can make it negative by following another rule, that is you can use also cannot help in cases of cannot but. And if you want to use cannot help instead of cannot but, you have to add ing after the main verb. So the sentence will be we cannot help loving our country. Okay, dear student, you can use either of these two. You can either use cannot but, you can also use cannot help. But if you want to use cannot help, you have to add ing after the main verb. Here main verb is love, so I have added ing after the main verb love. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood it clearly. Okay, dear students, now come to the next rule. The rule number 3. Okay, dear students, let me write a sentence. Okay, dear students, as you can see, Mahi likes both coffee and tea. If you look at the sentence, and when you can see the common conjunction, a correlative conjunction, that is both and. And if you see this kind of correlative conjunction in an affirmative sentence, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use not only but also. Then the sentence will be Mahi likes not only coffee but also tea. Dear students, you know both ... and is a correlative conjunction. You also know it combines two similar kinds of part of speech. Here you can see coffee is a noun and tea is also a noun. Here it has combined two noun. So dear students, you know both dot dot and is a correlative conjunction, and it is common to students and teachers. So if we want to make it negative, we have to use not only instead of both and but also instead of and. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood it. Okay, dear students, now come to the next rule, the rule number 4. Okay, dear students, now let me write a sentence. The sentence is FD mother loves her child. If you look at the sentence, you can see a common word FD. When you see FD plus any noun in an affirmative sentence, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use there is no oblique, there was no. If the sentence is simple present tense, that means present indefinite tense, you have to use there is no instead of FD. And if the sentence is past indefinite tense, then you have to write there was no instead of FD. Here it is a simple present tense because the verb is the present form. So we have to use there is no instead of FD. Then we have to write the next noun, that means mother. Then we have to use a new word, that is but. Then we have to write the next words, loves her child. There is another way to make it negative. You can also follow the rules, that is no mother loves hates her child. Here I have written the antonym of love. If you use this kind of word in an affirmative sentence to negative sentence, you have to use no instead of FD. Then you have to write the antonym of the word love. Okay, dear students, you can also follow the another rule, that is there is no mother who does not love her child. You can follow all of this. I hope you have understood it clearly. Okay, dear students, now the rule number 5 and the final rules from affirmative to negative. Okay, dear students, let me write a sentence. Here the sentence is universal truth, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use negative interrogative. Then the sentence will be doesn't the sun rise in the east. It is a negative sentence. It is also an interrogative sentence. If the sentence is universal truth, you have to follow this kind of rule, and if you want to make it negative, you have to use negative interrogative. Okay, dear students, thank you all.